Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Safrat and Cyprus channel. Alright, today, right now, we have here is a Dino Tracker Legacy Collection Mamenchisaurus.
I'm scared.
And we brought this out because we have the new, hopefully it is the Legacy Collection DIPLODOCUS. It's in the sweet box right now. We're gonna unbox it from Target. It is a Target exclusive, guys. You want to check it out? Alright, let's unbox it right now. Woo! Alright. Let's unbox it. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Uh-oh. Let's check it out. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, from Mattel. Right there, you see it. Mattel. Oh yes, I think it is. There you go, DIPLODOCUS. Okay. Uh-oh. Let's take the box away. There we go, DIPLODOCUS. Okay. Let's check it out. I was expecting it'll be a little bigger, but okay, this should do it. Okay guys, while unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you to everyone for your non-stop support. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. If you already subscribed, no need to unsubscribe, because if you click subscribe, you will be unsubscribed. So anyways, oh yeah, just like the video. Let's take this bad boy out. Ah, come on. Come on. Oh yes. There you go. DIPLODOCUS. Alright, well, compared to the Mamenchisaurus, nice.
I like it.
That's our collection. How do we open this?
Yeah, like that one.
Alright, so here's the box. There's DIPLODOCUS. There's the measurement. Very large, it says. Check it out. There you go. Assemble. There you have it. Oh yes. Very nice. As unassembled, it says. Alright, we'll check it out. Okay. Oh, there goes the head. Here's the head, guys. And the tail. Let's build it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, that's it. Check it out. Let's use the base first. Ah. Oh my gosh. Woo! What's this? Oh. Okay, here's the tail. Let's put it in. There, you hear the snap? You're good to go. We'll show you the DNA scan first. Here you go, guys. DNA scan. There you go. You can scan it. Okay, thank you, sweetheart. Cypher just hand me the piece of tail right here. We'll combine. All right, that one in. Give me the tip. All right, come on, sweet Cypher. Uh oh. So this DIPLODOCUS has spikes on the back, real nice. Meanwhile, the others doesn't have any spikes. That's so cool. I wonder what hybrid we can make in this thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hurry. Hey, wait. You're supposed to give me the tail first. Alright, here's the tip of the tail. Combine it now. Alright, there you go. See how long that is? So the tip of the tail is a little dark gray right there. Now for the neck, this one. Alright, so there we have it. Let's combine it. Oh yeah. Now for the head and the neck, put it in. Oh yes, look at that, gorgeous. Another one, long neck for our collection. All right, let's check the head. All right, the mouth opens up. It looks like a duck from here. All right, nice painting, nice sharp quills on the back. Yeah, I think so. Oh, of course the Mamenchisaurus is still taller though. You can see it now. Yep, but the Diplo is way longer. Oh gosh, this thing is so long. Look at that. So the Diplo is longer. Look at the tail, the length of the tail. See that? But the Mamenchi is taller. There you go. I didn't grab the rest anymore. I'm sure the Brachiosaurus is taller. The Apatosaurus would be, I'm sure, a little shorter too. It has a nice peachy color though. Peachy than a beige stripes right there. So yeah, it goes well. Then it goes to the dark gray up here. Then the lower jaw is also beige. So yeah. Let's check the belly of this thing. Oh, of course, it's still beige. Alright, nothing special. But yeah, I'll grab another Diplodocus and make it a hybrid. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Alright, guys. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye.
Sarah put inside says bye-bye. You guys have a good one now. Very well.
You open him up too. You open him up too.